Picture a visionary new community, adjacent to the beautiful 18-acre Corktown Common Park. Highly walkable, designed for healthy living and family fun. Welcome to the Canary District. We have designed an ideal space for homeowners, inspired by state-of-the-art architecture, laneways, hotel-inspired lounges, stunning party rooms, and other fine amenities at Canary Park Condos. This award-winning neighborhood is a celebration of culture, life, art, family, and community. Convenience is at your doorstep with excellent shops, gourmet cafes, services, and restaurants lining the Front Street promenade. Patios will spill onto active streets, adding to the vibrant social life. A brand new 82,000 square foot YMCA will be a prime social, athletic, and community anchor. Residents can also stay in shape at state-of-the-art yoga studios and fitness facilities. Canary Park residents can enjoy spectacular views of the city skyline, the lake, or Corktown Common Park from their condos. With St. Lawrence Market and the Distillery District just steps away, Canary District is surrounded by great neighborhoods. Spectacular amenities and a variety of suite options and townhomes available. Introducing Canary Park Condos, the next phase of the award-winning 35-acre Canary District. This is Toronto's next big thing.